In this video, I'm going to double down on recommending the SNKL15. This is not only my favorite Seiko, but I think it's one of the most classical and most beautiful watches ever made, period. A lot of people compare this to the Rolex Oyster Perpetual, and I think given how inexpensive this watch is, I would give it a leg up simply because, number one, you can't get an Oyster Perpetual right now, and number two, it's hundreds of times more, and number three, the fact that you can just simply put this watch on a strap and elevate it to and take it to the next level by eliminating the cheaper Jubilee style bracelet. I think it's a no-brainer. I think this watch really demonstrates what an excellent value Seiko is. And again, I'm doubling down on this review, on the review I just posted. Again, I wanted to revisit this watch. This is the SNKL15. I recently reviewed this watch, and this is by far my favorite Seiko. I think it's the fact that you can get such a beautiful watch for under $100 is incredible. I mean, I already reviewed the whole thing, so I don't want to go into detail. I'll put a link of the whole review video if you want. In this video, I just wanted to demonstrate what a simple strap change can do to take an already beautiful watch and elevate it further. Obviously, this is a dress watch, and the bracelet that it came with I wouldn't call it the best quality ever. It's not the worst either, but as you can see, I'm gonna show you it here. I'll kind of give you the jangle test here. It's, you can definitely hear the cheapness on the camera here. So I certainly think that, I initially thought I was just going to leave it on the bracelet because I do really like the Jubilee style of this bracelet, but so I also wanted to take it to the next level by putting it on a strap. I actually have another strap that I'm going to try. These are Fluco straps, and I think I paid about $60 for both of them. I think the black one was a little cheaper. I like the fact that it doesn't have contrasting stitching. It's just all black. I feel that it gives it a more elegant, dressier appeal. For the brown watch, I went with a slightly darker finish with contrasting like cream or off-white stitching. And again, these are really nice quality Fluco straps, and they're made in Germany and pretty inexpensive. They both have silver finished buckles, which are very, very nice and classy. And yeah, this just takes this watch to the next level. I think it really makes the watch pop. I'm almost at a loss of words how nice this looks. This is how much it weighs. The watch weighs with the strap on. Now we got 58 grams. So actually brings it makes it even lighter. If you want to add if you're ever curious about how much the Seiko bracelet weighs, but looking at about 46 grams. So not only are you making it more elegant, you are making it probably more comfortable to wear. This is how the watch looks on my 7¼ inch wrist. As you can see, it just makes the black strap just makes it pop. It makes it ultra dressy. This is as classy as you can get, really, with a watch, and especially at this price point. You can get this watch is currently on sale for $90. Yeah, I think the strap was under $30, so you're looking at a total investment of about $120, and look at what you're getting. It's hard to really beat this for this amount of money. So I'm going to put it on the brown strap so you can see what that looks like. So I just wanted to show you what it looks like on the brown strap. I just put it on. I haven't even worn it. And to be honest, I think with this watch, the black strap may work a little better. But to me, the black strap doesn't really go with my how I usually dress. So I think either I will keep it on this brown strap or buy a slightly lighter strap to go with it. But for now, I think this is good because I feel that I can pair it a little easier with my usual attire. So honestly, I think I like it more after I put it on the wrist. On my wrist, I think it still elevates the watch. It takes it to the next level, but at the same time, it's slightly a little more casual and more of a daily style that probably appeals to my style a little more. So yeah, this is what it looks like on my wrist. 7¼ inch wrist again. Again, hard to beat this watch value. Can't recommend this watch enough. Yeah, I actually have another Seiko that's similar to this one coming on that I just bought after I made my review. I kept going back to this one Seiko. This other Seiko looks similar to this one, but it's a little different. But yeah, stay tuned for that one. Get subscribed. I'll leave links to these straps in the comments if you're interested, and the watch if you're interested as well. And if you have any questions about the watch, please feel free to leave them in the comments. It would really help the channel a lot if you can like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.